Good morning, students. Today we are going to do chapter number 7 of Literature Reader. The name of the chapter is Laughing Gas. This is a story of Mary Poppins that is set in London in 1910. And there were two children whose names were Michelle and Jane. They needs a nanny. They were in need of a nanny. A nanny is a person who takes care of the children. And they received Mary Poppins as their nanny. Mary Poppins, she was a magical lady. She came from the east winds. She was magical, she was having magical powers. So she was blown away by the winds of the east, and she floats to the home of the children by holding a black umbrella. And when she arrives, she was not like any another person because she was having magical powers, and the children were unable to know what to expect from her because they were unaware of her. One day, she took Michelle and Jane to see an old friend of hers. When they went to see the old friend of the nanny, that is Mary Poppins, there are some things that happened, and what happened there? Let's have a look at the story. They were in a large and a happy room, and in the center of the room, there was a very large table that was full of delicious food. There was a lot of delicious food that was placed on the large table that was in the center of a room in which they were sitting. Well, indeed, it is surely a pleasure, it is surely a happiness. There was a voice coming over in the room, but there was nobody in the room present who was speaking. And when the children hear that voice, after that time, they saw their nanny, Mary Poppins. She was also speaking, she was also saying something, and she was saying, Uncle Albert, not again, this is not your birthday, is it? Is it your birthday that you have made such delicious food for us? This is not your birthday, don't do this again. When she spoke these words, she started looking up at the ceiling. And when she was looking at the ceiling, by looking at her, Michelle and Jane, they also started looking up towards the ceiling, and they got very surprised when they saw there was a man who was round, who was fat, and who was bald. Bald means who was having no hair on his head, and he was sitting in the air. He was not holding anything, he was just sitting in the air. Means he was not touching anything. उसने कुछ भी पकड़ा नहीं हुआ था. There was no support for him with the help of which he was sitting in the air, but he was floating in the air. Uncle Albert said that I am very sorry, but this is my birthday today. And he started looking down towards Michelle and Jane, and he said, I can see that you are very surprised, but if you have seen that I am a very happy type of man, and I laugh at everything. I laugh at everything, that is even a smaller thing. I laugh at everything. But if my birthday falls on Friday, but if anytime my birthday comes on Friday, then what happens? If I laugh on that day, on my birthday on Friday, if I laugh, my body fills up with laughing gas, and I float up in the air just like an air balloon. And when will I come down to the floor? When I think something serious, only then I will be able to get down on the ground. So he was telling that why he was floating in the air. He was looking so funny, he was looking comical here means funny. He was looking so funny because he was floating in the air just like a big human bubble. And Michelle and Jane, when they saw him, when they saw the man, they were that means they were laughing a lot, they were shrieking, they were making a loud sound when they were laughing. Means they were unable to hold their laugh because they saw a human bubble, just like a human bubble, a person was floating in the air. Suddenly a strange thing happened to Jane. When both of the children were laughing, a strange thing that happened to Jane. What was that thing? That thing was, when she was laughing, she felt that she was rising up towards the ceiling in the air, and she reached Uncle Albert. Well, Uncle Albert said that the laughing gas must be catching, that the laughing gas has caught you, and hey, look out. He again said, hey, look out. He said this to Michelle when he saw that Michelle was also floating up in the air. So Michelle then said, Mary Poppins, do come up. Michelle was telling Mary Poppins to come up in the air along and join them. And Uncle Albert said to her, yes, please come here. And Jane said, we are all alone up here without you, so please come here up with us and join us. Suddenly, she did not even laugh or she didn't even smile, and she rose up instantly in the air and she sat beside Jane. Just have a look at the picture. That picture shows they are sitting in the air. The picture is in the opposite direction. That means that they are sitting in the opposite direction to the right one. Now we can have some tea, said Uncle Albert. When all of them they joined, and the Uncle Albert said that we can have some tea at that time. He looked down and he saw that there was a table that was placed on the ground, and he asked Mary, Mary, can you do something? Mary, can't you do something? मतलब क्या तुम इसके लिए कुछ नहीं कर सकती हो? All of a sudden, what all of them saw, that the table came floating. The table started floating upwards in the air, and it landed besides them on the ceiling. Good girl. Uncle Albert smiled at Mary and said to her that she's a good girl because she has placed the table towards them along with them. And then he cut a large slice of cake for everyone. Afterwards, they all were talking, and he means here means Uncle Albert, and Michelle and Jane all were rolling in the air, gasping with laughter. They were laughing at each other. They were laughing at the talks they were having, and they were rolling up in the air. Suddenly, Mary Poppins said in a loud voice that it's time to go home. And when Mary Poppins announced that, with a hurry, Uncle Albert, Michelle, and Jane, they all landed on the floor together. How did they land on the floor together? Because when Mary Poppins said that it is time to go home, this was the thought that was first sad thought of the afternoon that came to their minds, and at the very next moment, laughing gas went out of their bodies and they placed on the floor. Uncle Albert sighed. Well, isn't that a pity? Isn't that a feeling of sadness? He said, I have never enjoyed an afternoon more. Have you enjoyed? Michelle said, no, I have never enjoyed. He was very sad. And Jane also said, never, never, never. So this was the story where we have seen, this was just a funny story that we have seen how laughing gas works when a person is laughing and laughing gas fills his body, and what happens next. This is just a funny story that was created. So this was about the story. Now we'll have a look at the question answers portion. See, there are MCQs given in this chapter. Choose the correct option. There is a sentence given, and to that sentence there are two options given for every question. You have to read the sentence and you have to mark the correct option. Secondly, B part says read these sentences and answer the questions. A sentence is given to you, and depending upon the sentence, there are some questions related to that sentence. You have to read the sentence and you have to check the sentence is spoken by whom, to whom, and these kind of things are asked in the questions. You have to ask in the sentence. You just need to ask. You just need to understand the sentence and then to answer the questions related to that. Similarly, C part is think and answer. Think and answer part says, would you feel happy to have a nanny with magical powers, and why? If you have a magical nanny, if you have a person that is your caretaker that is having magical powers in her, how would you feel? Would you feel happy? If you say yes, then you have to give reason why do you feel happy for that. So this was all about the chapter. I hope you have understood the chapter clearly. Thank you. Have a nice day.